Hey, what's up? It's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about a different type of countertop, and this is called laminate. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real, R-E-A-L, real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're talking about laminate. We're talking about different types of countertops. In this series we've talked about granite and we've also talked about quartz. Today, specifically, we're going to talk about laminate. Laminate is a type of countertop that is basically a particle board wrapped on layers of layers, or wrapped in layers and layers of plastic. And laminate is cool because it's super affordable, especially compared to granite and quartz, or even marble. So granite is expensive, quartz is expensive, marble is expensive, but laminate's affordable, right? And of course, this all depends on what your definition of expensive and affordable is, but you get the picture. So laminate's definitely lower priced than those items are, and widespread available in a ton of colors. Because it's man-made, kind of like a different countertop we spoke about earlier, it's definitely able to be engineered in the widest variety of colors, patterns, and different shapes and sizes for different countertops. See, some types of countertops come in these big slabs, so if you have a really long countertop, you might need 1-2 slabs and you can tell where it's conjoined. But with laminate, it kind of can be very custom built and custom spec made. So that's one of the huge selling points. The fact that it's very affordable compared to the other brands. Some of the reasons why laminate's one of the most popular countertops. However, laminate's very easily destroyed. It's not good to cut on, and doesn't have a high resale value because, let's face it, it's not durable. So that's how it stacks up to the other different types of countertops. Tomorrow we'll be back with another video. We're going to be explaining a couple different types of countertops in that video, so make sure you check it out. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'll be okay.